Alright, I took care of that drill bit. He snapped it off. Yeah, it was carbide. So it's broken off in the hole over there. I got one to go through. I sharpened about 3 or 4 times. Broke half the thing off, so that took care of the problem being too sharp sided. So that one's all the way through. This one snapped off. As it went through, it snapped off, so it's typical carbide. It's brittle as hell, so it likes to break, which is a plus and a minus. It makes it easier to get shit out when it breaks evenly. So see, it just sheared off. Well, it sheared off both sides too. Nope, that was my cutting edge. See, it sheared off that side before I did the other one. You can see I had the one cutting edge there, it was still working. So that when that broke through, it broke the whole thing off. Alright, well that was only a $30 cutter. What the hell? What's going on here, stupid camera? Ah, you dumbass. What's going on here? Some reason that damn thing don't want to work now. There it goes. Oh, can't be I'm getting tired of working on crap, is it? Yeah, no, that would never be the problem. Okay, so now we gotta see if there's a hole all the way through, mostly, kinda, sorta, maybe. So we're gonna take what's left of this. It's kinda got an edge to it. We're gonna run it through. See if it goes all the way through. Or break off some more parts, what the hell. Seemed like it went through some more garbage. Alright, we need an airline over here. See if we got a hole all the way through. Let's see, airline. Fun, fun, fun. Yeah, this is like doing a twin cam exhaust ports. A major pain in the butt. Alright, let's see what happens here. Oh, shit everywhere. Ooh. That's not all the way through yet. Nope. It's poked through, but not all the way through. Let's see if we can run this thing through the rest of the way. That'd be no. Feels like a piece of carbide broken off in there. How would that happen? Ah. Through. No, there's a little piece in there. You can hear it. That piece is right there. And it's got a little chunk of something in there. I don't understand why that does not want to cut. So we need to go make this look like a drill bit. So I get that last little corner off. So you can see how the edge right there is rubbing, but it's not cutting, so we need to sharpen it to be a spade drill, an offset spade drill. A spade drill is a single cutting edge. This one's a broken piece of crap that we're going to make into a spade drill. The way we do that is we just grind on it until it looks like some kind of a cutting edge. That's how we do things around here. Make it work, however, whatever it takes. So, I'm going to try that right here. Alright, so where's our high spot at? That's the high spot right there. Hold it at a correct angle because you can't see squat. Start grinding until it looks like there might be an edge. Or until it gets so damn hot you won't hold on to it no more. So see how it looks kind of like there's an edge there a little bit? It's hot though. Alright, we'll cool it down a little bit. I think that will cut. We're not going to worry about the other side because it doesn't hit. So it only hits on what it hits on. That edge right there where I just ground it is what's going to hit. The cutting edge is right there. The rest of this we don't care about. And obviously there's clearance here because it's all gone. So that should actually cut. It may look like a broken piece of crap, but a lot of times that's all you need. Especially when it's carbide. You know, this thing keeps grabbing me in the back. It's almost like there's something blocking my path over there. I don't know what it is. Alright, let's go see what we're going to do this time. Can we destroy some more parts? Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, I jammed in. Did it break some more off? Alright, it took some more off. That cutting edge is now no longer there. It's gone. It broke it off. Okay, good. I think that went through. I think it did. Let's try it again. There we go. Bingo. Let's see how it works with this one. It goes right in too. All right, success. Now you have a hole through a bolt that's so hard you can't do anything with. So now what do we do? And we still got Loctite that's still fully active right now. Okay. So what are we gonna do now? This hole's off center, so it'll never drill. This one's pretty close to being centered, so we can drill. The problem is with stuff that's left is so stinking hard. It's not going to come out. And we still got the problem of heat. Can't put heat on anything because the belt's on the way. So I'm thinking it's time to get rid of the belt. Because I need to torch those screws, get the Meltite to lock. Put an easy out in there. Hopefully it bites in and unscrews easily. Because I was able to drill through the bolt. Cost me a few drills. About 40 bucks. Well, more than that. We went through 2 easy outs. About 80 bucks, 70, 80 bucks worth of shit so far. Yeah, and about an hour and a half time too. There you go. There we go. I'm sure we'll get paid for all those hours. Okay, so I'm going to find me a tool to undo that sprocket right there. This welder's in my way. Get out of my way. Socket. Hopefully one of these. Close, but no cigar. This one's smaller. Bigger than this one. All right. One of these might work. I got a handful of them. I think it's the same one I had. That looks bigger. Yeah, close, but not it. Nope. Bingo. Found the winner. Oof. Heavy Loctite. See the way you tell what Loctite's in there, you go like this. Oof, that stinks. That's Loctite for you. It's red. You didn't want that to come off. That appears to be the only color bikers know is red. Not a good color to be using for everything in the world. Okay, we're gonna be lucky. Yeah, kind of, it rattles. Hey, it's coming. Alright, well, came until I got to that point. Still this stupid ring on the back side. Got some of the cover on there that's not coming off. Damn it. What the hell's this stupid cover on here? It's keeping me from bringing it all the way off. Ah. Stupid damn cosmetic piece of crap on the inside that's causing a problem. Whatever the hell this stupid thing is. I'm guessing it's bolted in or stuck in. I'm not sure which, but either the belt won't come off because that's there. You can't twist a belt. See, a belt's being slid sideways. Bunch of welded crap down in there too. Look at that. This looks like a mess I didn't really want to be into, doesn't it? There's a big offset adapter or something in there. Why is this thing not coming off? It's going to make me pull this clutch off. Doesn't matter how much I don't want to do it. It's going to make me do it. Yeah, so close. Right to there it stops. Bam! Alright. Bastard. Oh. Ain't gonna come. Piece of crap. It's gonna make me work on it. Alright. What's it going to take to get this apart? Looks like some Allen bolts. Probably Loctited in, I'm sure. Why wouldn't they be? Everything else in this bike's been Loctited in. Great. Small little Allen. Big ass bolt. Just what you want to strip everything out. Oh yeah, it's... yeah. Oh yeah. Red Loctite again, I bet. Yeah, I can feel my tool not being happy about this. Yeah. Yep, wonderful. I foresee more broken parts. Red Loctite, not a good thing. I don't believe it actually came out. The trick is a zip gun. Sudden force breaks things before you break bits off. Steady force will twist a bit right off. Shock loads don't do it. Uh-oh. Oh, shit, balls everywhere. Shit. Oh, what a piece of crap. Rattle special. One ball on the floor. Yeah, I lost my ball. So this is a centrifugal assist. All these balls rattle. So as they move out, they put more pressure on the clutch. The problem is if you take that off, it all goes on the ground. So you make sure you don't put that on the ground. So we got to put this over a big socket so we don't lose it. We just happen to have a bunch of sockets laying here. There you go. Oh, another nut. And now we're down to a big nut again. There's a big nut right there. It needs to come off. Probably the socket I just went over and used. Yeah, it's probably the one I just used right over here. Sure it's not going to be that one. One of these two here probably. Just grab them all just in case. That one. How about this one? Yeah, that one too. Let's go with the big one. We'll use the zip gun version. Okay. Alright, let's try this again. This should be left-handed thread, which means we tighten and loosen. Just a regular nut. Okay, it didn't come off. Well, it will come off. So I need some more leverage to get that off. A couple of big bolts in there will do it. Yeah, we're going to find a couple of big bolts. Yeah, those are hard to come by. See, that's why you have all your bolts right behind you, see? Something holding in there. Ah. Okay, I'm going to guess this starter housing's in the way. Looks like the next bigger Allen though. Probably one of these two. Let's see if the front will come off. Yeah. Closer, but no. Not gonna be that easy. Loctite, but not red. Yeah, that might be what it was hitting on. Now we're jamming up on this side. Almost. Ah, what a pain in the butt. Yeah, came off. See, shells work good for holding shit too, see? Alright. Oh, that was fun. I need to do that earlier. Save all kinds of work. Not really. Save a lot of work. Oh. Just got more access now.